Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account does not exist. So first of all, you could just go ahead and open up your TikTok. And if you try to log in and it says your account does not exist, you're going to see like a I or question mark or help center button at the top right while you are logging with your phone or email and username. And then you can just go ahead and follow along to basically report your problem, and the problem should be recovering your account basically, right? But if that option wasn't available, you can click on other, and then basically support your ticket, or sorry, support basically continue contact with TikTok help desk to fix your problem. Click on your profile right here, and I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. Click the three bars at the top right, settings and privacy, scroll a bit down, report a problem, and then basically you're going to be able right here to see this is your problem, right? And you're going to just go ahead right here and click account recovery, right? And then you're going to be able right here select the account, right? But let me go back right here. It's not that option. Go ahead right here, account profile, log in, and then click other, and then need more help, and then you're going to be able to continue with the TikTok help center. So let's find out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.